Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm trying a very healthy meal for my baby because she wasn't ready to eat broccoli, sweet carrot, and along with carrot. She wasn't ready to eat these things. So what I'm doing, I took a 1 spoon rice, one spoon of lentils, and then I mixed it with broccoli, sweet carrot, and another carrot. Sorry, sweet potato and carrot. Sorry, I was mixing these things. Broccoli, sweet potato, carrot, 1 spoon of rice, and 1 spoon of lentils, and I mix all these things, and then I put a very little bit a spoon of olive oil. Now I'm boiling all these items, and when that will be boiled, then I will mix the scrambled egg into that rice, all these things, and then I will give to my baby because that is very healthy for the baby and she need to eat. If your baby is not eating something and that is good for the baby, just try to give that thing with another recipe, like just try to give her in a food that she like. If she like scrambled egg, then try to mix that thing with the scrambled egg. Like my baby, she wasn't ready to eat strawberry. What I did today, I mixed the strawberry with oats, 2 dates, and 4 almonds, and foxnut. Today I skipped the blueberry because before that I was mixing blueberry, apple, foxnuts, almond, dates, and oats. Today I just skipped the blueberry and I add the strawberry, and my baby literally she loved it and she finished the whole bowl. Complete bowl was finished, so she loved it. So if your baby is not eating something, just try to give that thing, just try to mix that thing with another item. Maybe then she will like it because you know about your baby, what she like, what she doesn't like. And my baby, as she growing up, so she is getting a taste what she like, what she doesn't like. But so I'm trying to give her because what is important for her body, I know that thing because I have gone through a lot of medical treatment and medication, so I get to know like natural herbs and the vegetables that are very important for our body na. So I'm trying to eat all these things, and I'm trying to eating all natural herbs, and that is my aim. I will give all natural herbs to my baby as possible as I can. When she will grow up, of course she will eat burger and all these things. At least she will not go through the PCO, because PCO occurs just because of the hormonal imbalance and because our food is not good, the environment is so stressed. So we just get the PCO. Almost 70 to 80% women have the PCO just because of the food and stress situation. So I'm trying to give her all nutrients that is important for her baby according to that. So you also try to give your baby what is important for your baby, and once the recipe will be ready, I will show you the picture right now. See, it is on fire. When it will be ready, and I will share the picture of my baby. If she will like it, I'm 100% sure. And along this video, one thing that I want to share is that one time I got a sore throat and I wasn't able to eat anything. What I knew, I was just drinking the tea because now I was getting comfort by drinking tea. I went to the doctor and my mother was also there, and doctor said, why are you drinking tea? I said, I'm getting comfort. I thought that is working as a medicine. He said, no, it's not working as a medicine. You are just getting relief. As when we have a pain, we take the painkiller and we just get relief for some time, but it doesn't mean that disease has been finished. You need to take the proper medication. And he said, just drink a cold milk. I said, I cannot drink milk because I get vomit. So my mother was there. He said to my mother, that is your duty. You know your daughter, so you need to give her milk as you can. That is not my duty. I just recommended you give her the milk, she will be okay. What my mother did, she put a lot of ice along with the 7-Up in a milk, and she gave it to me, and I was drinking it, or it was amazing. I was drinking it only one breath because I cannot drink the milk now. But she was sitting along with me and she was saying, just drink. The milk was too much cold with the taste of 7-Up because I like the 7-Up now, and I drink it. I was getting relief, and with the milk I was okay. So So what I'm trying to say, just give food to your baby, what is important for your baby. I hope so you like this video. So I will share the picture of that recipe when it will be done. Bye bye, see you soon.